Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about a crossJoin in PySpark. CrossJoin returns the Cartesian product of two data frames. It combines every row of a first data frame with every row of a second data frame. Example, let's say if your data frame 1 has 4 rows and your data frame 2 has 3 rows, the results will be 4 multiplied 3, that will be equal to 12 rows. So here you see that I have a data frame that I want to create by using this data underscore sample data. So here we have a name, and then we have country, and then in the second we have a data underscore hobbies. So this sample data is about the hobbies, so reading, traveling, and cricket. So here what we are creating two data frames by using these sample data. So here df underscore people, that's our first data frame we are creating, and we are saying create data frame by use this sample data, and here are the list of the columns, so name and the country. In the second data frame df underscore hobbies, I'm saying spark.create and then providing second sample data as my data to create the data frame. Now here is the list of the column. I don't have actually many columns here, so there is only single column here, so we are creating with the hobby. So two data frame will be created, df people and df hobbies will be created once we execute this code. Now then we will go ahead and say df underscore people dot show is going to print df underscore people data frame results, and then df underscore hobbies dot show will show us all the results from the df hobbies data frame. Now let's actually go ahead and execute, and then we will see the records, and from there we will run the other scripts later. So here are the results of our data frame. So that people data frame has these records here. So you can see we have Amir, and he's from Pakistan, and then we have Ali Raza, he's from US, and then Bob from UK, and Lisa from Canada. Now there are three hobbies. What we are going to do, we are going to multiply each hobby, let's say reading, with these records. So then we will go take traveling, and then multiply with these. So it will become a Cartesian product, and take a cricket and then multiply with these 4 records. So that's why 4 multiply 3 of these become 12. So here is the way you will write the cross join. Here is the data frame. I'm creating cross join result equal to data frame, so our first data frame, and that is df people. Then I say cross join with the df hobbies. So once you run that, then we can print out this cross join results data frame by saying show truncate is equal to false, because we want to see the entire names in those columns. So go ahead and execute this. It's going to do the Cartesian product first, and then save the result into cross join results, and then finally we'll be able to see them by using the show function. Now we have name here, country here, and this hobby is coming from df hobbies, and so you see that each record had been multiplied with each hobby. So reading, traveling, and then I have a cricket, and here is the same record Ali Raza is also multiplied with 3 hobbies, and then go for Bob. So that's how it became 12 records. So if you have situations like this where you need to multiply your one data flow results with another data flow, and in here we wanted to add hobbies, and we knew that these people have the same 3 hobbies, each of them have these hobbies, so that's why we use the cross join here. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.